Hapu will say a rhyme which is sing a song of sixpence. Say.
Sing a song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 420 bag bet in a pine. When the car was open, the bird began to sing. Was it that the 20 days? He said before eating. Dinky was in his counting house, counting all his money. Dinky was in a puddle, eating with honey. The mate
Was in the
garden, hanging down the couch, and down came a rabbit and pet over nose.
This is very good. Now
This is a very good no.
this is not very good, no. Okay.
This very good.
Okay, this is very good. So now you say one more Hindi rhyme.
No.
Hindi rhyme you say लाल रंग की सुंदर कार.
उसके बेटा एक सवा और बजाए बार
বাদল রাজা বলতে পারো? তাহলে কোনটা বলবে? টু মার্কেট বলো. হুম
ये रान रंग की सुंदर कार
হুম
रान रंग की सुंदर कार सीटे दो है पहिया उसके बेटा एक सवा हॉर्न बजाए बार
হুম আরেকটা বলো. मछली जल की
मछली देव की रानी है जीवन उसका परे है हाँ चल गलो डर जाएगी बाहर निकला तो मर जाएगी.
very good.